So Paul, what does the Windrush mean to you?
It means a lot because I heard about it when I was young. And then my granduncle came here just after the war in London. And it wasn't a bed of roses. And they said then you have to take care of the motherland. So England at the time was the motherland because it was ruled. Jamaica was still ruled under under Britain. So they just naturally comes after the war to rebuild it. But what they expect is not what they was on the tin.
What did they expect and what did they see?
You know, welcome in, well, you assign what is your application, occupation to go, you know, in surgery or bus or tax, whatever it is needed at the time. But when they came here, it's a totally different story.
Could I ask you, what made you first start working for the NHS?
I started working in NHS back in 2000, the 12th of April, so that make it 23 years.
Wow.
I've been here now, and it's good so far.
And why? Why the NHS?
Because my family have a medical background, and when I always run my grandparents, and you have to look after them. So it's a natural for me to pop in the NHS. But I'd rather do the surgical bit of it. That's why I apply for theatre rather than wards.